The former head of state, Major Ibrahim Babangida, made a plethora and of course, revelations. One of the outstanding revelations came through that the Igbos were not the culprits of the 1960s. Intention of the coup was to make Awolowo the president. And you and I know that the Igbo man has been grossly marginalized, disparate, deprived, and subjected to political doldrum for inexistent reasons. How sad. How appalling. These are more what I'm bringing your way today. You don't know where. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. Amazing people, welcome to Expose with Ivy, your surest plug for all hot, spicy, and authentic information. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and of course, give me a follow on TikTok as well as Facebook. It is the same handle, Expose with Ivy. And of course, if you're a returning subscriber, you are my real MVP. Thank you so much. I can't do so much without you. Thank you. Do well to smash the like button, register your thoughts respectfully in the comment, favorite, share this video with everyone contact you've got, and don't forget that it's important that you watch to the end. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into today's topic. I made an effort to read the book, but I couldn't read it, and I tell you the reason why. I couldn't read it because I'm the emotional type. I mean, it got me quite emotional. The Igbo man has been so marginalized. The Igbos have been subjected to political doldrum for inexistent reasons, for offenses that they did not commit. A false narrative has been peddled for so many years, and someone who knows that these things that people are saying, these insinuations, these assertions, these postulations are wrong. You know it, that this thing is not the truth. You have the truth and you concealed it. Maybe you think you are very close to your grave and you decided to speak up. You think you are very close to your grave, and now you decided to speak up. So who pays for the damages? That lie actually led to the Biafran War, which claimed the lives of millions of the Igbos. Millions! Properties were lost, lives were lost due to the war. People died out of hunger. People were suffering no food. That is famine. People died in their massive numbers. Then today, somebody has been able to, reveal what the truth is. And everybody is just normal, as if nothing happened. Who is going to pay for the damages? That is what I want to know now. Now, how does it even make sense? People are so unreasonable. Yes, because what made you feel that an Igbo man will lead a coup so that a Yoruba man will now come and become the president? Just make it make sense to me. Make it make sense to me that an Igbo man will lead a coup to give way so that a Yoruba man will come and become the president. It doesn't make any intellectual sense anywhere. It doesn't. It doesn't. The Ohanes and Igbo is seeking an apology from President Tinubu, which is not actually right because President Tinubu wasn't even there. It should be from the Nigerian government, all right? Now, that 10 trillion naira request is meager. It's too meager. Adding to that list, adding to the demand of 10 trillion naira should be immediate and unconditional release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then number 3 should be total emancipation of the Igbos. They should bid us farewell. We've had enough. Farewell to Biafra. That is what has to happen for peace to reign, I believe. If they do that, there's going to be peace. But if they don't do that, I don't know. I don't want to say anything. And that is why the Igbo man is subjected to, if it's going to be a house, he's subjected to the gate house. He's not allowed to come to the main chamber, to the main building. Because of falsehood. Because of fallacy. It's terrible. And guess what? Think about the June 12 election. And now this same man is seated and telling you what happened through his book, and everybody is applauding. What are you applauding? Why are you people? I don't understand. This is a man that should be behind bars. If he's in the Western world, this man cannot be there and telling this story. It's only in a place as Nigeria that is where something like that will happen. And again, look at Ateze Nukbo coming to give that man 500 million. Let's go to Ukbo and I will show you destitutes in your immediate environment. And you are giving him how much? 500 million to thank him for being so mean on the Igbos. Awesome. Wonderful, isn't it? Wonderful. I tell you. Wonderful. So it is now that IBB is coming to refute the claims. He has now come to refute the claims that the 1966 coup has no ethnic sentiment. It does not have any ethnic attachment to it. It has nothing to do with the Igbo extraction. No, it doesn't. No wonder Mazi Nnamdi Kanu took it upon himself that if anybody says that the 1966 coup was led by the Igbo, that is ready to sue the person. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not just human. I think he's a superhuman. He's not just an ordinary human being. Because when he said this thing, we didn't know we were going to get here. He said it many long ago, and today, this is the truth. It's not fair. And guess what? Do you know the annoying part? The annoying part is that even after this revelation, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is still in custody. Guess what? Many years to come, maybe somebody will come and tell us, you know what, I just want to say the truth. I did not win the 2023 election. Somebody else won it, but I manipulated my way into Aso Rock. And when he does that, we'll start clapping for him. Then we'll start donating money so that he will go and build library. Madness on rampage. Madness on rampage. All right? I don't think we're going to. This thing is inexhaustible. When the man that has violated the law, left, right, and center, is in his house having a nice time. The one that did not do anything is in custody. That is Nigeria for you. What can we do? What can we say? I'm just hoping that they do the right thing and they do it with immediate effect. This is what I'm going to peg it until I come your way some other time. See you at the top because the ground is way too crowded. Bye.